Okay. Previous class we have seen that. Okay. We were bringing the. We have seen about the RF with the deconsolidation. Okay. RF with the deconsolidation. In RF with deconsolidation, what we have observed. Okay, I'll show it anyway. See, once you are bringing two products in HU, okay, you are bringing two different products HU while receiving, okay, whenever the products are coming in HU, while receiving the products at the GR zone, means in the unloading stage, whether you can able to see the products within HU or only HU, what you have observed yesterday. You are unloading only the HU or the products also are available within the HU. Means in the while scanning, what you have seen?
Also.
No, HU is okay. Whether you have observed to unload up of the product HU? ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. Okay, so we will going to see it once again. Okay, today we will going to see it once again. Observe it cleanly. So what you are able to observe over there. Okay, I'm just opening the SAP. Okay, we have practiced it in other system, right? Okay. Now again I am going to create one inbound delivery here. Okay. Slash n real 31 n. This is my PO. What I'll do, I'll just bring two products, but I'm going to pack them in a different HUs. Okay. G carton only I'm going to pack it. G carton 106. But in your case, you just try it out with the S4 only. Okay, you don't have the decentralized. Okay, it will come definitely for you. Okay, if there is some error in my system, that is why I cannot able to process it. But for you, you can able to do that. Okay, I'll just take one product in one particular HU. Sorry, I'll put both the products in same HU. Okay, this also I'm going to put it in this HU only. Okay, just save it. I don't want in the carton box. It is not needed. In the deconsolidation, we can able to change it. Okay, the deconsolidation we will going to change it. Just save this. Save this. 7316 is our HU and 9228. This is my inbound delivery notification. Okay, this is my inbound delivery notification which is distributed to the EWM. Okay, wherever you are getting that out, please do ask. Okay, so I will go to IDN here slash ECWM slash IDN. I'll just put this inbound delivery notification, execute. Okay, now go to the inbound delivery and check the HU. Okay, check the HU here. we have only one HU. Okay, 7316. Under this, what are the different products are available? We can able to check it based on here. You have to go to the more information and display HU. Okay, so under 7316, we have a product, one product, but in the two quantities I have. Okay, so what I am doing while doing the deconsolidation, I'll segregate these two products. Okay, I'll segregate these two products, and I'll going to take one more product to into some different carton boxes. Then I'll going to move it to the particular storage bin. Okay. Now I will go to the input delivery, follow functions, warehouse task. Here, handling units in this it is going to generate. Okay, I'll just say create plus save. Means unloading activity is going to take place now. If you want, you can add the what is that? I'll copy this. If you want, you can add the resource over here, or else you can add it in the monitor as well. Okay, if you want, we will going to add it and move. Okay, go to edit and going to put resource one. Just save this. Okay, so I will go to the monitor. Here is coming. Okay, and just take a new one. Okay, for monitors /n /SCWM /MOL SAP execute inbound delivery means inbound delivery here warehouse order. So I'll just view my inbound delivery and execute. So I'm going to get the warehouse order. So for which queue as well as the resource were assigned. Okay, and what is this warehouse order? What is the task it is having? It is having the task of unloading from the IBDR door to the some GR zone bin. It is coming. Okay, GR zone it is coming while unloading. Okay, just observe what is the showcase in the HU. Okay, I'll just take a new screen for the RF UI. Okay, just execute the RF UI. Just execute. Okay, so what we have to do? Can anybody tell me? Unloading activity.
Inbound process.
Yes. Unloading. Okay, unloading by delivery is there. The ASN is there. Okay, we'll just try with the ASN. Okay, we have not tried. So I'll just take the ASN number. So this is my ASN. Go to the ASN, click enter. ASN doesn't exist. I don't know what is the issue. Okay, leave it. We'll go by the delivery. Delivery is this one. By delivery, enter. See, we have to provide the HU. Okay, so we have the HU here. That is where we can see the HU. We can see the HU at the warehouse task. Okay, here 7316 is my HU. 7316 is my HU. Click enter. So we are okay from the door. We are taking. We are keeping it at the GR zone. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, I am pasting it. See, only you are seeing the HU. Whether the products are visible within the HU. Are you able to see the products here? While unloading? No. Okay. Now just observe that. And say unloading. It is say asking completely unload. I can say yes. Okay. See, unloading is happened. Okay, I'll just refresh this. If you see this, the status is completed. Unloading is happened, but still you cannot able to see the product within the HU. Correct? No, here in this case, only you can able to have the enhancement. Okay, here you can able to have the enhancement. What is the enhancement here? Okay, some very long back. Okay, so what I have done long back means like 1.5 year ago I just had this enhancement. So in that, what client requirement is, he is receiving the HU, but while receiving the HU in the GR zone itself, he want to see the list of the all the whatever the products are within the HU. Okay, while unloading here you can see that we can see only the HU. Okay, we have just entered the HU and we have taken, that is fine. But once it is unloaded and the HU is in the GR zone, definitely whatever the products are there in the HU, that will be listed out. Okay, that will be listed out. Because they have sent two products. Okay, how many products are there here? Okay, just a minute, I'll just show you. Okay, within this HU, how many products are there? Target quantity. See, target quantity it has taken two. Okay, two products are there. This product is coming for us. Target quantity is two there. But what are these products? He wants to understand. Okay, so for this we can have the enhancement over here. Okay, how we can do the enhancement? Okay, so I'll go. Okay, minus. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to create one more variable. I'm going to create one more variable. Save it. Okay, 2 to 9. I will just go to inbound delivery notification, and I'll say 2 to 9. Execute. Go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task, something here, and I'll say create plus save. Once I'll go to the, okay, I'll just copy this, go to the monitor. Okay, here go to the warehouse order, just put this warehouse order, execute. Okay, I'm going to assign the resource for this. Say assign to resource. Okay, resource 1, execute. हाँ हेलो, ऑडिबल नो चाहिए? वो ऊपर का स्क्रीन ऊपर नहीं जा सकते, वो म्यूट वो नहीं जा रहा है। देखो वो मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्या हो गया। पिन जैसा मार्क रहता है ना? नहीं, इधर पिन तो मार्क ही नहीं, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। राइट में क्लिक करके देखो, डेली ऊपर जाता था वो। डेली ऊपर हाँ आज हाँ अभी जाए, देखो पता नहीं वो क्या है। Okay, so now I have taken this outbound delivery order, sorry, inbound delivery order. So if you are seeing the inbound deliveries, we have to do the what is that? Sorry, unloading for this HU. Okay, 717318. Okay, I will go over to the RFUI. Okay, so if you go back, we are doing through the delivery only. Go here, just give this delivery, click enter. See, here they are asking the HU. And once I'm going to give the HU, okay, 7318, it is just asking the destination bill. Like this, it is showing where you require, okay. My question is where you require to see the products within the HU. That is the first question you need to ask to the customer. Whether while unloading itself, okay, while unloading itself, whenever you are taking the material from the truck or the door, from that point of time, you want to see the products, or else you want to see the products once it is coming to the geometry, what is the idea? Like that you should ask. Okay, so here let us consider. We're going to take both the example. Let us consider. They want to see the product. Okay, here once I'm going to add the HU, I want to see the products. What are the different products are available within the HU? Here only I want to see. In this case, what you need to do, just click a Control Shift F1 in your system. Okay, you have to click the Control Shift F1. Okay, please note it down somewhere else. I'll only write it here. Okay, for enhancement. Wherever, okay, wherever you want to change something within the RF node, there you have to click on CTR control plus shift plus F1. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you have to click on the control shift F1 wherever, okay, in whatever the what is that RF screen it might be. Okay, so you have to click on the control shift F1. Okay, so you will going to get this screen, RF screen enhancement trigger dialog. Okay, enhancement trigger dialog, you will going to get this screen. So here you will going to get a 4 means whenever you are providing the details to the abapper. Okay, what I have to do and what is the requirement for that, you have to do few details to the abapper. Okay, so what are the details we have to provide to the abapper? Okay, I will just give you the hint of that. Okay, see, application you have taken, display profile you have taken, presentation profile also we have taken. The main things what we have to give to the adapter is logical transaction name. See here, this one, logical transaction name. What is this? ULDLSI, some logical transaction name we have got. Okay, so first thing we have to provide is logical transaction name. Second thing is step. Okay, this step is for the what is that logical transaction name. Okay, second thing is step, and third thing we need to provide the screen program. Here is sorry, step is also coming. Okay, screen number is there. Okay, screen program is the next thing. Screen program and the screen number. Okay, these four informations. Okay, one is the logical transaction name, and second is the step for this logical transaction name, and the screen program and the screen number. These are the four different important things which you have to provide it to the adapter, and you should tell I want to insert one tab here. Okay, and just close this. I have to insert one tab here. Okay, one tab. Okay, I want to insert one tab. If I click, okay, like it might be a list of products, one tab, list of products. If I click on this, it should show me what are the products are there within the HU. Okay, so I am just again go back to the control shift F1. Here, if you click on this, it is taking you to the enhancement trigger dialog. See, modify screen is there. Okay, and split screen is there, undo modification is there, start screen painter is there. We can have modify screen. Okay, just see, I'm going to execute this. Here it is going to ask for the whether we have to go to the modification wizard. It is saying all the things. Okay, I'll say continue. See, it is asking me some screen structure. What is the screen structure and what are the different fields are available? All those things it is asking me. I'll say continue. This will be like some things which are completely related to the abacus. Okay, we will not going to get much in this. This is asking for some function group and screen number, all those things. There they're going to change. Okay, all these things they have to provide, and then only okay they can able to enter into this. But just to add a button. Okay, what you can do? Start screen painter you can say, and move further. Just to add the button. Okay, it will going to one open one in the screen for you. Okay, these things you are not going to do it. Okay, so these things will be taken care by the technical team and the basis. Okay, you are not the one who will be doing it. See, this thing you have already seen it. Okay, this screen you have already seen it. Um, uh, so, but here we have the a proper area where we are doing the changes. Okay, painter means we can able to add few more tabs over here, a few more fields you want. You can able to add. We can do some changes over here. Okay, within the same screen. This is the drag and drop option I said no in the previous class. That is the one. Still opening. Okay. See here, we are just seeing the HU and the destination bill it is asking. What we have seen here, and why okay, it is just asking the HU and the destination bill. Now I want to add few more number here. Okay, this is the screen number it is showing, and see here, display layout screen SCW. This thing you will going to see it in the some program where you will going to see the screen names and all. Okay, just go to the new window. Okay, go to the SPR, AMG, CMEW, extended warehouse management, mobile data entry. In this, go to the radio frequency framework. In this, go to the defined steps in the logical transaction. Okay, go to the defined logical transaction. Go to the defined logical transaction. Okay, so whatever the logical transaction name you have taken, I'll just put that over here. Okay, whatever the logical transaction name I have taken, I'll just put that here. Just see, I copy it here. Logical and correct. I have not copied it. Okay. Anyway, this screen I'm going to come back and show you. Okay, it is here only. Logical transaction name. Okay. Just copy it. Yep. This is the program. This is the program what you have seen over there. Okay. At the top. But I don't know much in the website. Okay. But these things definitely are this is how they are going to do the changes and just giving the some hints about this. Okay. Just copy this, go to the position, paste it, click enter. See, you got it by the unloading by delivery. Okay, this is the one which is available. So this is the logical transaction. Okay, and now we're going to define the flow step for this. Okay, see here, just select this logical transaction. Go and define the logical transaction step flow. Okay, here they should find whatever the else I will go like this. Go back position. I'll say UL 4 stars. Okay. Means if you're going to throw all the UL related things. Okay, this is the standard one. Okay, it is a standard one. Select this. Go to the logical transfer step. You should find your step here. Okay, the step for this ULCMPL. ULCMPLC. This is the one. Okay, so like this, we're going to get so many things here. ULCMPL. This is for the presentation profile. This is a standard presentation profile. What we have assigned over there, and this is a logical transaction. For this, you are getting all the possible ULCMPL. Okay, whatever the step are there, you are getting over here. Okay, through these steps, we are going to do some other activities. Okay, even I don't know much about this. Okay, so wherever you want to take this, they're going to take it and they're going to move further. Okay, what is the program and all, everything will be available, function and module and all. Okay, so based upon this, they're going to just do certain modifications within the RF screen. Okay, I'll just go to the modifier. Here you can see this program, whatever the program is there, no? You can able to see that. So there they're going to do the modification and they're going to provide it to you. Okay, so we have the functional module. If you want to see the functional module, what you have to do? You have to go to SC37 and you can check it. Okay, that is what we'll do. Let me go to SC37 once. SC37. Here you can view functional module based upon the RSRC display and say. Okay, so many functional models are there related to the this RSRC, maintenance of the resource. Okay, only for the resource there are so many. We are seeing here. For the maintenance of the resource, we have the different RSRCs. Okay, these are all the functional models what we have. Okay, or else it is just now given the functional model where it has given here. Okay, we have the different functional models. Okay, for RF exception. Okay, for complex things. Okay, all these things they have given so many. What is that? Functional models here for the different operations. Okay, you can take this and you can do the changes over here. Even I don't know what are the different changes they're going to end up, but I'm just giving the heads up. Okay, so this is how the enhancement will be taken place. Okay, you can mention this as a one enhancement. Okay, most of the people don't know. Okay, so only I'm telling it to you. Okay, and only few some 3 to 4 people I have informed my team. Okay, you can use these enhancements in your interviews also. I have done this enhancement like that. Okay, what is enhancements here? Simple thing. Okay, one thing is while receiving the HU, while unloading the HU, we cannot able to see the products within the HU. That time, we want to means client requirement is we want to see the products list of the products within the HU in the GR zone. How we can able to maintain it? Okay, that is the question. Okay, so just now we have seen while unloading how we can able to do, but while doing, see, this is the result program. Okay, whatever we are seeing there. Okay, now I want to see the. Okay, let us copy this and paste it here. Okay, now we have unloaded. Okay, so and just go here and refresh the screen, and the warehouse order is going to generate. Okay, fresh. And it is not, warehouse order is not generated here. Okay, here let us consider this is the one I am taking forward. Okay, for this, okay, I want to what is that? Take this particular HU and put it in the deconsolidation. Let us consider this time what, where is the HU now? It is already unloaded. Okay, and it is already there in the GR zone. Now you want to see what are the different materials are there in the GR zone. What you can do? Okay. Okay, sorry, this step I have not done. That is why it is not unloaded. Sorry, unloaded. Okay, if you go back, and you say put away. Put away by HU. Let us consider you are taking. And what is the HU here? 7316. Earlier one 7316. Click enter. Okay, see here you have the HU, but again here you are not seeing the products within the HU. Same thing you have to do. Okay, same Control Shift F1 you have to click. See here some transaction is logical transaction is different, step is different, screen program is different, and the screen number is different. If you want to see it here, you have to give these particular things to the paper. Got it? No? Any doubts here? Okay, so this is how we're going to enhance. Okay, see, if you want to see some products, we will going to enhance the things and we're going to see what are the different products are there within the HO. This is one enhancement what we got. Another enhancement what I have received very recently was about in the RF only. Okay, in the RF will going to get so many requirements. Okay, and the RF so many requirements will be there. We were developing one. What is that? The customer is from Ukraine. Okay, the Ukraine people they are very big people will be there. Their thumbs are very like they are what we can say. So it will be fat. Okay, it is not like ours. Okay, so that is why what the requirement is they are using the RF gun. Okay, so let us consider this is the screen size. Okay, this is the screen size. Whatever the buttons they are having no here. Okay, they are using the Honeywell RF guns, and in that a touch screen is there. Okay, in that touch screen is there. They are going to wear that at the left hand side and operating through the right hand side. Okay, they are the wristbands. Okay, just like a watches, they will going to use that. Okay, so in that case, while doing the activity, okay, they cannot able to. Okay, here one option is there. Let us consider. Here we have one option, and here immediately you have one option, and like this, here one button is there. Here some different button is there. Okay, so while clicking on this button, unexpectedly they have to means they are clicking on this button like it was happening. Okay, in that RF. So what their requirement is, they don't want to have it very closely. The buttons they don't want to have it very closely. Buttons in the sense in the screen, touch screen only I'm telling. So they want to have it little fair. Okay, little fair so that they can easily operate these things. So in this such case, what we can do? What is the means? Who will going to do this thing? Okay, putting up of the different buttons with the different places. Who will going to do? Who in the sense whether the screen manager or the menu manager? Hello. See, understanding now. If you are not understanding, please do. Please ask me some questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Here, screen manager is going to take care of the things. Okay, what screen manager is going to do? He'll be worrying about the display profiles. Okay, display screen. So in that, wherever the buttons he require, he can able to provide it. Okay. So these things. Okay, this is one enhancement. Enhancement in the sense very easy enhancement. This one. But another one enhancement, what they ask is they want to take the staging option here only. Okay, staging you cannot able to do it through the RF. Okay, no, you can do it through the RF, but in the RF the functionality was not there. Okay, what they were asking, see, I got all these options, but I want to do the staging as well. Okay, staging as well. So in this case, what we have done, okay, we have one transaction. Okay, we have one transaction for the staging. I'll just show you. Slash n slash scwm slash stag is okay. So sorry, stag slash n slash scwm slash. Okay, so staging is one transaction. So here schedule staging for production is there. So whenever you are using the PP integration, that time you are going to get this staging. Staging means what? What is happening? You are taking the like just like a subcontracting. Okay, this is just like a subcontracting, but don't consider it as subcontracting because you are having your own PSA, that is production supply area. PSA is nothing but production supply area. You are having your own PSA. You are sending the products over there, like whatever the, let us consider you want to prepare the ABC material. Okay, for this you require the raw material as A and B and C. Okay, and you are adding all these products and making a ABC. Okay, let us consider like this. And to this production supply area, this is I'm going to call as the PSA. To this production supply area. So what we're going to do? We'll be sending the raw materials. Okay, and somebody will going to do the activity on this materials and you're going to prepare the ABC. Then you will going to take it back. So while we're going to send this material. No, we have to place it somewhere else, or else we have to store it somewhere else. That is what it is called as a staging. Because every time, let us consider we require the ABC to prepare the ABC now. For one preparation of one particular ABC material, you are taking some 20 to 30 minutes. Let us consider 30 minutes you are taking. Okay. So every time I cannot able to go to the storage type. Somewhere else I am having the storage type. Okay. I am going to the storage type and bringing this ABC material, how much ever the requirement is there, based upon that I'm going to bring the material and I'm going to place it there. Every time I cannot able to do this, correct no? So that what they have done, they're going to make some temporary storage type here, temporary storage type. Okay, so that is why this is also one role. Okay, this is one role we have discussed about this while create means while creation of the storage type. Have you remembered this? Have you remembered this role? No. Not getting the answer. Everybody is silent today. Ajay bhai.
New announcement side.
See, here role is there, no? No, enhancement which way now? Production supply is one role for the storage type. Okay, we're going to give this role for the storage type and we're going to create the production supply area. Okay, this is the production supply area for us. So here I'm going to store this ABC products. Some like let us consider 1A, 1B, 1C is going to make a ABC means I'm going to store some per day. Okay, the requirement might be some 15. Okay, 15 materials they can able to produce. I'm going to put all these 15 materials in the 15 materials over here. I'm going to store this ABC materials over here. So once the material level, okay, I can able to have the replenishment for this as well. Okay, let us consider the material level is falling below some six quantities. Okay, material the minimum quantity I can able to maintain some okay 5. Let us consider 5A, 5B, 5C should be there. If the material level is falling below 5, then I have to replenish to 15. Getting the concept now? This is the maximum minimum value what I am providing. This is the maximum value what I am providing. If the value of the material A and B are C, if it is falling below 5, then I have to replenishment till the 15 to the maximum. Okay, like that I can able to have and I can able to do this. Okay, so in this case I'm going to provide the materials over here and somebody is going to do the activity and we're going to send the material ABC to the storage type again. Okay, to our warehouse. Okay, the PSA might be within the warehouse or it is out of the warehouse, both are possible. Okay, so but no accounting entries and nothing will going to happen over here. Okay, so while staging, I'm just explaining about the staging. Staging is nothing but we are putting the material in the production supply area. Okay, so in this case they want, okay, the people they don't want to have the staging option. Okay, they don't want to have the staging option in the system itself. They want it in the screen only. Okay, for this staging whatever the programs will going to get for this whatever the programs will be there, we used to get the program. Okay, here we are going to see the program and all. Okay, execute what is the program in the background and everything will going to get it. Okay, so you just have to take that program and give it to the ababers. Okay, so what they're going to do, they're going to involve this staging program within the RF environment only. We have seen where the programming and everything they have maintained over there. The same thing they're going to do it. Okay, and they're going to fix this issue. Got this? Any doubts here? I think I have this somewhere else. 1 minute. Simply it has happened. Choosing an answer to the Okay, these are the some different things. Okay, leave it. See how we have given the solution. Okay, function design process we have to do. Okay, the RFY. Okay, see they want to have this staging option also performs in the RF screen. Okay, so here we will be having the single staging and the multiple staging. We are providing both the options for them. Okay, multi staging as well as single staging for them. Okay, so we have given, okay, whatever the data it is required. Okay, the program name and all everything we have given here, and how it is happening. See here, for staging, how we'll be doing this. First we're going to enter the warehouse order number. Then we have to select the when the period is going to end for a specific time. Okay, I have to enter that. Then we have to see the show log, or else means whenever I'm going to execute that, it should show me the log. Okay, or else I can run it in the test mode also. Then I have to execute. Once I'm going to execute, I'm going to get the entire staging operation. Okay, how it is happening and all. So all those things I have to take and I have to put it in the RF screen actually. Okay, so here they are using the handheld annual designs. Okay, so for this I want to put the is that those particular details. Okay, here one. I don't think it will print properly. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, we have seen. See, these are system guided manual selection involved. Only these things you are seeing, right? We want to have one more field, that is the staging. Got it? This is a pseudo. What is that? Pseudo logic or the pseudo forms. What we're going to prepare now. So that is what we are creating here. Pseudo means it is a false, but we will going to make it something like this, like that we are showing. Okay. So here staging is there. Auto warehouse order creation. Here monthly job is there, single job is there. Okay, we will going to just do the job, means product here. Okay, we just do the job, so it will going to happen automatically. Okay, what are the things happening here? Okay, here a component one is there. Okay, and here we are doing some buttons also. If we can able to skip the things, or we can able to exit the entire whole area. Okay, like that. So once every material we will going to put it to, after that what we will going to do, we will going to take it to the component 2. Once the component 1 is done, automatically it will jump to the component 2. Okay, like that. How many components are there, it is going to ask, and it is going to do this activity. Or else every component we can able to select at once and you can able to do it. But the components will be in the some different bin. Means you have to uh, you are picking. Okay, while picking you have to just means scan only one component in one particular bin. Then after picking that, you have to go to the next component and you have to pick the next bin. Okay, like that you have to do. So once you will going to take all the components. Okay, so I will going to uh, do the staging for this particular components. So that I am doing the staging option here. Okay, like that we have proposed them. Okay, so after the staging, okay, other further activities will be like what are the different tables we require. Okay, and see here also I might have mentioned screen name, that I will be mentioning the screen name, screen program name, something I have maintained here. I'll send this. Okay, if you want, I'll send this.
Yes,
Okay.
quite.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, but please don't share it with anyone. Okay, you keep it
Okay.
with yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so many things are there here. Yeah, here screen program name, screen number, logical transaction name, and step. Okay, these things we have to provide. Okay, technical specification whenever you are. This functional specification is going to write. Okay, it is like only about the writing up of some certain steps only. Okay, process frequency, timing, and all these things are the some steps only we are writing. But these things are important. Where you have to put this no, this technique only will going to drawback. Okay, functional people will going to drawback at this particular end, where we have to gather the information and provide. Okay, these are the few things what we need to provide to the uh, technical team so that they can see technical approach, how the technical approach should be. Okay, once they're going to put it, what will going to happen for this also, like what are the different things I have provided, all these things I have given. Okay, who has done this and all. Okay, So I will just send it to you. Go through this. Okay, still if you are not getting anything, you can ask me. Okay, I think okay, just by going through this, you can get the what is the enhancement we have done. Okay, very easy to understand. Okay, not an issue. I'll send it. Okay, or else I'll put it in the with that drive only. You can take it from there. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
How will I put it in the drive? Just don't give it to anyone. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, this is one thing what I want to discuss in the today's class, and the another thing is about the what is that internal movements. Okay, or else sometimes we want to move the product, or else sometimes I want to move the HU from one particular bin to other bin, or else some posting change I want to do. Okay, posting change means what? Like movement will be of two types. Okay, we can able to move the things in the two types. Okay, I'll say stop.
Sri, one question here
Yes.
in enhancement side.
Uh-huh.
How we can like that barcode is there? How we can generate that barcode and like putting on the handling units? This by the handling this gun, we can scan the all details. Like
How
this
we are
also
able
coming
to means
under
your
this.
why is this two people last right?
Okay.
Uh, why is this two people? Can you little loud?
Oh, okay, okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Now audible.
yeah, now it is audible. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. That barcode is there now on the handling units or
Correct.
anywhere.
Mhm.
That is also coming in this side. Like
Yes, we have to do means it will come in the PPS section. But what I thought of is PPF action is very big topic. Okay, so I thought of telling the automatic warehouse task creation and how the PPF will going to trigger and all. I thought of showing, but if you want to have the handling rate, okay, that one also I'm going to just give you the brief. Okay, how we will going to how we will going to do the labeling and all. Only thing we have to create some is that condition types. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, and we'll just consider it in the PPF action and we'll going to take it. Okay, no?
okay, okay.
Yeah. So here movements of material, movements of
See,
this
बारकोड को नंबर रेंज में है क्या? नहीं.
number is नहीं रहता है इसमें. See, if you want to put the barcode for a particular bin, okay, bins will be having the number now. Based upon that number only, it is going to generate the barcode. We may be having the numbers based upon like whatever the bin numbers are there. They may be serialized or they may be however they want. Correct, no? So we'll be having the barcode something. Okay, the just they're going to print the codes. That's it. Okay, movement of material. What are the different movements of material we will going to take? Movement of material means what? One is a physical movement, we can say physical movement, and okay, second is logical movement. What is the physical movement? You are transferring the or moving the material from one location to other location. Dinesh is not joining the call. नहीं क्या दिनेश?
नहीं हूँ भाई हूँ.
ये क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछ रहे हो आप? क्यों क्या हो गया आज?
कुछ.
Okay, so we have discussed that is why you are not asking the question or what?
नहीं.
Okay,
Just going.
location to location we can able to logical movements means kya? We are okay moving the material logically. Logically means what? See, let us consider your stock type. Okay, is something, and you are changing it to some other thing. Let us consider your stock type is F2 here.
Block.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, F2 means it is unrestricted. and you are transferring into some block. Block means B5. Okay, like that you can able to transfer. That is what the logical movement is all about. Okay, so how we will going to achieve it in the EWM? Okay, because we need to do it, right? So how we can able to achieve this? Okay, so all those things will be available. We're going to discuss about them one by one. Okay, so here basically ad hoc movements will be there. Ad hoc movements, they're going to call ad hoc. What do you mean by ad hoc? What is the ad hoc means?
Certainly there.
Yeah, certainly, or else unexpected. Okay, it is unplanned. Unplanned movements will be there. Okay, why they going to do the unplanned movements? See, sometimes, as I said, okay, uh, you have the bins. Okay, let us consider these are the. This is one storage type. Under this, you are having certain bins, and these are all the bins I am going to give. These are all the bins. Okay, you have kept some a product here. Okay, some quantities around 30 quantities you have kept here. Like that, you have the products in all the bins. Okay, some products, but some products are sorry, some bins are empty also. Okay, like that it is there. See, you have observed that this bin is get damaged. Okay, this bin is got damaged. Okay, what you have to do? You want to move this product to some other bin. Okay, some other bin you have to move this product. In this particular case, what you can able to do? Okay, what you can able to do? You can able to transfer this material from this bin to the next bin. Okay, so in this case, you can use two things. One is the AD prod. Okay, that is ad hoc. AD prod is the one transaction. If the product is with the HU, then you are going to use the, I mean, moment of the HU is taking place means you are going to use the AD HU as a transaction. Okay, AD HU as a transaction. These two transactions will going to be. Now the product is there, 30 materials. Okay, nothing had happened to the bill, but you want to do the logical movements, like you want to, as we have discussed, okay, like changing up of the unrestricted to the block stock. Okay, the block to the unrestricted stock. You want to change means, what I can able to do, I will just use the post transaction to do this. Okay, so these are the different transactions what we're going to discuss in this session. So if you are seeing, okay, ad hoc movements in EWM, like that, if you are saying the ad hoc movements are unplanned movements, okay, that are created manually within the warehouse. Okay, I just give you what are the reasons they may create the ad hoc movements. See, these are the different reasons why we will going to get the ad hoc movements. One is the wrong product is located in the storage bin. That is one thing. You have take the product to end the storage bin due to the damage. For the example of the quality inspection. Okay, so some products were damaged, and suddenly you want to do it the quality inspection for that. Then you are taking it to the quality inspection. So that is why you are moving the product. You want to take the product to appropriate storage bin for scrapping. Okay, while here scrapping also is going to take place. You want to scrap the products and you want to move it to the scrapping. That time you have to empty an air or a storage bin for a safety reasons. See, some cleaning activity or safety precautions they are taking. For that, you want to empty the entire ale only, or the entire ale, or else entire storage types, whatever the storage type which is available at that ale. You want to move all the storage materials. Okay, whatever materials are there in particular bins, we have to move them to some other bins. You want to perform the unplanned rearrangement. Okay, movements. What do you mean by rearrangement? I have already told you. Okay, rearrangement means every month or every week they are going to run this rearrangement, so that we will going to have the proper storing up of the material. Okay, we can have the what is that systematic storage of the material, so that we can use the maximum space out of it. Okay, from the storage types. Okay, so that is why we are going to do the rearrangements, and you have the clear way stock lying around the warehouse. Okay, so somewhere else the stocks is just lying, so that is why you are taking the stocks. Okay, these are the different reasons why you are doing this particular ad hoc movements. Okay, so first will let us I will just go to the monitor. Okay, we are only, you have to see about the monitor and the slash n slash scwm slash mon. Okay, here I go to the product master data, that not product master data, storage bin. Here physical stock, okay, physical stock. I'll just double click on this. Okay, product, wherever the product is there, now we can able to check 1206. Okay, 1206. Just execute. Okay, these many products are there. Okay, so in GI zone some products are there, in ST0 some products are there. Okay, what are the storage type he has provided for the product? I don't know. We can able to check that, not an issue. Okay, some products are with the HU, some products are not with the HU. All these things they are available. Okay, ST0, see in ST0 some products are there with the HU also. Okay, we'll just transfer these products. I will just take, okay, physical stock. Along with that, I'm going to do the, if you want to go along with that, you want to do the storage bin means you have to go here, physical stock. Okay, you can view ST01 and product is 106. Okay, execute. Small, very small quantity you are getting it here. Okay, let us consider in one bin. Okay, these are the storage bins. In this bin, I am having how many products I am having? Three quantities I am having. And all of a sudden, I want to move these three quantities to the next bin. Okay, 1 to 5 I want to move. Okay, how we can able to do this activity? Okay, I just open the new screen and take the transaction slash n slash scwm slash ad product. Okay, ad product and okay, what is the product? Product zero, sorry, product 06. Okay, just search it. Okay, just execute it. You will going to get so many, but I want to search only that bin. Okay, you can open the advanced search. Yes, any doubts? Okay, you can open the advanced search here. You can put the direct bin. Okay, see what is the bin here? I want to move this from bin. No, copy this. Okay, this bin. See here only. There are so many products are there within the same bin. See here 001, 0000. See two activities were taken place. One is happened at the some other GR time and other happened at the other GR time. Okay, so okay, time are different. That is why the material are showing like that. So three quantities is available here. Okay, I want to move some three quantities. I will going to provide the bin here. Okay, storage bin is there. No? Just provide the bin, advanced search, and just close this. Okay, see only that bin you are seeing it here. Okay, so one product is showing here. One product is showing. Should show total of four quantities, right?
Yes, 3 and 1.
Yes. So 0, 0, 0.
Q4 and F2 it is showing.
Yeah, F2 and Q4 it is showing, but I have not restricted to. Oh, Q4 only it is showing. Sorry, Q4 only
Yes,
storage
Q4 is
stock type Q4 only it is showing. Okay, so this is the Q4 stock. So let us consider. Okay, Q4 is there, whatever it may be.
yes.
Okay, you want to move, but I have not taken the Q4 alone, right? I'll just open this stock type. Where is the stock type? Stock type it is there. Okay, I have not taken only the Q4. Okay, let us give F2 and Q4. Execute. Okay, and advanced search, close. But still it is showing only this thing. Q4 stock only it is showing. Okay, let it be. Okay, not an issue at all. So this Q4 stock, one stock, I am moving to some other storage bin. Let us consider 1 to 5. I am moving into. Okay, 1 to 5. I am going to move it to. How I can able to do? Okay, here just open the form view. Open the form view. Here you have the quantity. How much quantity you want to move? Okay, I'll say one quantity because only one product is there. And this is the source bin, and I want to put the destination bin. This is ST01 only. but bin is this one, 1 2 5. Copy this, paste it here, click enter. It will take the section automatically. So this is my destination bin. If you want to put the put in one particular HU, and here one HU is there, let us consider in one bin. Okay, here in this bin HU is already there, correct? No, I don't want to put it in the HU, only I want to put it in this bin. Then you can just put the bin. If you want to put it in the HU, just give the destination HU also. Getting the concept?
Yes.
Okay. And next thing, okay, reason for movement, if it is like what is that, compulsory, then you can able to put it, but it is not a mandatory field. Okay, not an issue, but in sometimes they are going to keep it as a mandatory, you have to provide it there. Okay, here warehouse process type, okay, they are asking, like I can able to take the 4010 if it is available. If it is not available, I can able to take the 9999. If that also not available, I can able to take this replacement also. But instead of taking this, we're going to prepare. Okay, that 9999 is very important, and 40. I'll just show them. SPR, IMG, SCM, EWM, Exchange Warehouse Management. Okay, cross process settings, warehouse task, and under that warehouse process type we have to do. Okay, see for 0001, whatever the warehouse process types are there, we have to just copy. See, 401 is for the stock posting. Okay, transfer posting. So we have to use this actually. Okay, so or else 3030 is for the transfer of the stocks. Okay, transferring up of the stock. Or else, okay, don't use this. Directly use the 9999. This is the warehouse supervision. Okay, the common. Okay, this is one common warehouse process type. Okay, I'll take it for my warehouse. Okay, save it. 1206 I have prepared and save it. And once you go here, you can able to see that warehouse process type 9999. Okay, this is the warehouse supervision process. Okay, just click enter. See, this one I am moving into this particular storage type. Now, what I will do, I will say create the save. Create the save.
Same screen like that
Yes,
warehouse task
yes.
we are creating. And
Here
default
also you have
value.
created the warehouse order. Okay, under this warehouse order, the task is there, movement of the material is there. Correct, no? Okay, you can able to see this warehouse order also, but I have not yet confirmed it. First confirm it and go and check it. See, 4624 is the warehouse order. Here you can check. Okay, here you can check. Go to the monitor. Okay. Here, okay, just refresh this screen first. Okay, here you can able to see two materials in this particular bill. Okay, I'll just refresh this. Okay, you can see one more material which is coming here, Q4. Correct, no? Got the idea?
Yes.
Okay, what is the warehouse order? Okay, the warehouse order is 4624. Okay, go to the documents. Here, warehouse order. Just give this, sorry, 4624. You just give it, execute. See, what is just now happened? It is showing here. Double click on this. You are going to get the warehouse task. Okay, in this warehouse task, we are going to get the detailed information. What is the stock? Where we have moved everything. We can able to see it here. I'll just show. See, this is the source bin and this is the destination bin. Got it, no? Any doubts? No? No doubts. Okay. So next thing, I will just go to the physical stock. Okay, execute. Now I have moved this stock. Okay, move this stock to the this bin. Okay, Q4 stock. Okay, I just want to. Okay, I don't want the Q4 stock here. Let the stock also means I have inspected it. It is in a quality inspection. I have inspected it, but I found that the stock is correct. Okay, so that I want to move back to the unrestricted. Let us consider. Okay, so somebody inspected it and no issues. So I want to move to the unrestricted stock here within the same bin. Okay, within the same bin it is happening. How I can able to do? Okay, we have the transaction again for this. That is the slash n slash SCWM slash post. Okay, as I said. So again, okay, here just do the product 1206 or 1206. Execute. So many things will come. Just go to the advanced search. and I'll take this bill. Okay, okay. Advanced search. I think advanced search. Okay, open advanced search. I'll just do this bill. Advanced search. Close. Okay, see now it is showing both the materials. Okay, both the things it is showing. Okay, one thing I am having the quality product, and that thing I am having the what is that the product at the unrestricted use. Okay, see this is the quality one. I don't want to use this quality, or else you want to move the unrestricted to the quality. Anything you can able to do. But I am taking this one. Okay, I want to move this uh, quality to unrestricted. Let us consider. Okay, just select this. Go to the form view. Okay. Here it is not selected. Open advanced search. Top type only Q4 I am going to provide. Execute. Close. Q4 I got. Select this. Go to the form view. Okay, yeah, correct. Now here storage bin is there. In the same storage bin, I don't want to change the storage bin. ST01. I'm going to do the same bin. Click enter. And what is the product? This is the product. And what is the stock type? See here, Q4 is there. I want to make it into F2. Getting the concept? I want to make it into F2. And PED, if you want to change, you can able to change the PED also. Party entitled to dispose to whom the material belongs to. That one also you can able to change. If you don't want, just leave it blank. Okay. So I am just changing the stock type now. I am just changing the stock type. But whenever you are doing this, the warehouse process type is important. This is must. Okay. Click enter. Then say create plus say. Enter the posting change quantity. Okay, quantity I need to enter. One quantity. And say create plus change. And whereas article going to generate. Okay, whereas material document it is generated. Okay. Then just posting changes happen now. Okay, when you create the save to there, just go here in the monitor, refresh the screen. Okay, for this three stocks are become. Earlier 2 plus 1 were there, now it has become 3 stocks. Got it now? Okay, we have seen one document here, material document. I forgot the number. Okay, leave it. Okay, so if you can able to see that material document also. Okay, what is had happened like that. Okay, so just go through that. So this is how we're going to see the posting change. Adopt means just okay. This is one more transaction. /n/SCWM/ADHU. Okay, here you have to put the HU number. That's it. Okay, HU number you take. Then you process with the what is that? Else, based upon this product, how many HU numbers are there? That also you can take. Okay, and I'm going to put here. Okay, the same product. Here only 106. Whatever the HU will be there, no, it is going to show all the different products. Okay, see, it will going to show all these things. I'm going to like minimize it to something. Let us consider I am taking this HU 20038. Open advanced search. Here HU handling it 20038. I'm going to do, and I'm going to do the search. Close it. See, 20038 it is coming. And what are the different materials are there? All those things it is going to. Okay. We are just moving the HU now. That is why it is not showing here. Okay, under this content, if you are going to show the content within the HU. Okay, this is the content like that. Okay, how many materials are there? You just go to the formula. Only one quantity is there. Okay, only one quantity is there. Getting the concept now. So this also you can able to move it. Okay, so it is very simple only. Okay, how you are moving that. Okay, here also you just put one bin. Okay, you are here you are having the source bin. Okay, you can able to change the HU also. Okay, if you want to change the HU, let us consider you want to move the product from this HU to the this HU. Okay, that also you can able to do. Or the entire HU you want to move it to this particular bin 115, we can able to. Okay, I will going to move the entire HU to the bin. Okay, storage destination HU, I'm going to put the same thing.
So Sri, with the first transaction code also we can do.
Yes, yes, first transactions as well can do, but it is only basically for the HU only they have provided. Okay, so destination HU I have given, and destination bin will give XT01. This is 5. Okay, copy. Here it is 5. Okay, and put the various processor 7999. Okay, so just say create plus save. Message record. Okay, what is the warning we have to? Okay, anyway, when the errors are created, okay, go and confirm it. Okay, confirm it. Can you able to check it in the monitor? Refresh this. Okay, this one has to come out here. Refresh it. See, it is also taken in the 115. Okay, so this is how we can able to change the things. Okay, ad hoc moments. Okay, so whenever you require, you will be able to do. And one more thing is there. One moment. /n/scwm/adgi. Okay, adgi. This is post planned goods issue. Okay, post planned goods issue. Basically, we're going to do it for the scrapping purpose. Okay, somewhere else we're going to get it. Basically, we're going to post the goods to the scrapping area. Okay, here. Okay, here. We have the things here. Cancel GI document, stock correction, non-EWM errors, scrapping. Mostly, we're going to send the scrapping means we're going to use the ADGI transaction. Okay, I'll just do this also. ADGI transaction for us scrapping. This post is for logical movements.
Transfer post.
And these are for the physical movement. Okay. There is the merge. I don't know what to do. Okay, I will be having the physical movement. So, any doubts in the entire class?
No.
Okay, just go to that document for the enhancement. Okay, if you are not getting, you can ask. And second thing, these things are very simple. Okay, so internal movements are very simple. Okay, you are going to enter the things and you are going to do it. Okay, so this thing you just have to go through. Tomorrow we are going to take it under replenishment. Okay, yes.
Actually, this monitor transaction, or which purposes you can tell me
Monitor. And I said no, very important transaction. Okay, monitor pay, you can see each and everything. Okay, this is a central reporting tool, what I have mentioned earlier on. Okay, so you have set for the monitor this one while telling the monitor screen, you were there, no, Jay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I was there.
No, Jay asked this question, right?
Okay, yeah.
Jay, I told no, what are the different nodes are available. This is a parent, and here child items will come like that. I have explained. So this is a central report. Okay, everything and anything you can able to see here. See, one means in the MM. Billing will not going to happen in the EWM. Okay, that is you see once you are a EWM consultant, forget about the FI people. You don't require them. Okay, here there is no report which will going to give the value things. Only quantity things only which will be available for us. Okay, very important. Okay, yeah, you have asked the better question because most of the time what people will going to ask whether we can able to see the building report in the EWM and don't enhance that also. Okay, it is very tricky. If you are enhancing, it will be like headache in the later on. Okay, you shouldn't take any building activity in the EWM. EWM is only purely for the movement of the materials in the warehouse Whenever it is moving outside, once it is moved outside, you can able to track it. Good. So once it is moved outside, the TMS will come into the picture. TMS is nothing but the transport management system, but you can able to track the product, okay, in the EWM, okay, where the product is available like that, okay. But instead of that, don't go into the what is that FI part and add it over here, okay.
Yes, yes, okay.
So
Actually, Sri, different movements will happen here.
okay.
After outbound and inbound, we are creating warehouse order here, confirming that, and physical stock we are taking,
Correct.
and stock movement will happen here or not?
Yeah, stock
Yes.
movement can be happen through the monitor, okay. You
Yeah.
can take it.
And another thing you can tell me, like these are the 4 eyes or
See here, you can see outbound activities, okay, or the inbound activities. Here in the inbound activities, you can see about the deliveries, okay, inbound deliveries. See what are the deliveries which are not yet completed, okay, which are in the process. Okay, all these things you can able to see here. Deliveries which are okay here. We have okay here goods receipt status, okay, whether the goods receipt status is not relevant, not started, partially completed, completed. All those things you can able to take it here. Okay. So if it is not completed, what are the different deliveries which are available? And for one particular, what is that? Here, if you go down, here you have the ERP documents. For this particular purchase order, let us consider what are the different input deliveries are available. All those things you can able to check. Okay. And here, shift from location, shift to party is there. On this particular shift to party, what are the different deliveries are there? You can able to check. Okay, put away status, okay, whether the put away status is not happened or uncompleted, partial completed, this one you can check. Okay, so many things, okay. So all these things, open deliveries or the closed deliveries, all the things you can able to check it over there, okay. No? And if you are taking to the what is that warehouse order also, downside you will be having the tick marks here, okay. Open warehouse order, cancel warehouse order, locked, confirmed, warehouse order in process. Okay, all these things you can. So I want to just see the open warehouse order. Just untick all these things, and you can see only the open warehouse orders. How many are there? Okay, got it? No? Okay, so many things you can able to see at this particular end. Okay, and let us consider you have so many products. Okay, you have thousands of products, not thousands. Actually, in my announcement right now, what I'm doing is they are using 1.2 million products. Okay, which is a very biggest task for us to load the data. Okay. In this case, whatever the products which are managed for the warehouse and what is the products which are managed for the non-warehouse, we have to identify. Okay. So in that case, here a product master is there. Just go inside. Here warehouse attributes is there. No? Just double on this. We have only products with the warehouse data you can take. Only products without warehouse data you can take. All products you can take. Okay. So only products which are maintained for the warehouse, they will going to appear here. Got it, no?
Yes.
Okay. This is one thing. And one more thing, I have, okay, let us create, okay, I'll just open the decentralized system. For I'm not comfortable with the decentralized, okay. When I am using the centralized, no, you will, you don't want to open here and there, okay. I'll just open the,
See,
this.
at the time of new implementation, how we are uploading the data?
Uploading, yeah, I have shown no uploading up of the master data.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, with the HU also I have shown, correct, no? Okay, now let us consider, okay, we are creating one material, let us consider. Slash n mm098, okay, let us create one material. 100 mat 1, just, okay, paste it here. I'm just creating some material, okay. Just 10, okay, like that one material I'm creating. Okay, I don't want to take all these views. I'll just take some basic view. That's it. And create this material. Okay, test pen and take. So, I have created the material. Whether you can able to see this material in the warehouse or not. Tell me. Okay, one thing, whether this material is moved to EWM or not.
No.
No, this material is moved to EWM. That is fine because we can able to see this material in the global side. SAP
Product.
MAT1. Okay, if you are going to SAP API product 1, just give test 10 here and say global data display. You can able to see this material. Okay, this came from this business group and this is the name over here. Like that I have explained. Correct, no? Okay, you can see this material, but whether you can see this material at the warehouse, what is your idea?
We have to create first, then we can.
Exactly. Okay, if you are saying display, it is not available. Correct, no? You have such materials you have. Okay, so you want to see hundreds of materials are there. You cannot able to create one by one. Correct? Very difficult task. In this case, you can just go to the monitor here. Go to the monitor /in/SCWM. Again, go to the product master data, warehouse attributes. Okay, just give how many materials are there, no? Like hundreds of materials if you are taking, you just provide all the hundreds of materials. Okay, then you just have to, okay, so now I'm going to do only one material is there. I'm going to do test 10 here. Okay, and here see only products with the warehouse data is there. I don't want to take all the products. Okay, whether this product is there or not, you can able to check. Okay, it is there. Or else go back. Okay, again go to the warehouse data. I want to take all the materials. Okay, all the products which are available. Okay, it might be warehouse or non-warehouse. Okay, if you are just providing the test 1, test 10, only test 10 is coming. Okay, I want to see everything is, you can check everything. Okay, so that one you can able to provide. You just remove this and you just execute this. All the products will going to come here. You're going to see all the products which are available at that warehouse. Okay, these are the different materials. What are there? Okay, while we have copied now, that is why these are coming. Okay, but okay, go to the warehouse attributes. I just want to take only test 10. All the products I have set. Okay, just execute. Okay, so this one, no, what I'll say, select this, go to the more method here. Okay, and say mass change or create. Okay, see, mass change or create is there. What are the different things you can able to do in the mass change? You can able to give the put away control indicator, stop remote control indicator. So if you want to block the things, you can able to block. Okay. Okay. And you can see so many. See here, reset process block. All these things are available. Okay. Whatever things you want to do, mass change. Okay, everything is available here. So what I'll do, I'll just execute. I don't want to do anything because I just want to create this material. One minute, okay.
Product class. Product class extended or elaborate.
Okay, so I just want to create this material for the warehouse. Here also you can even just execute this. Okay, just execute this. Continue. Okay, so see here, changes will be made 0 fields and one set of products warehouse data. Okay, one set of product warehouse data you have created. Just say yes. Go here. Okay. Earlier you have seen the display. No, it was not showing, but you just click the display here. Now it is coming. Got it? No? You can create hundreds of material like this. Yeah, in a one time. Because individually, if you are creating, it will take a lot of time. But whenever you have the serial numbers, no, I think okay, in the serial numbers, if you want to upload this, then better to go for the BAPI. Okay, some BDC things we have to develop. Then only we can able to do. Okay, that thing this time I'm trying that. Okay, once I'm going to finish the activity, I'll just give you the hints about this. Okay, I never done the BAPI. I have done the LSMW, LTMC, and the product upload in the EWM. Okay, you can do the LTMC and the LSMW also, not an issue. Okay, but once with the serial numbers means it is little tough to go through the LSMW and all. So those things I am trying this time, and I will let you know. Okay, how we are doing and all. Okay, but little late only. Definitely, I'm going to update to you. Okay.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, that's it for the today's class. If any doubts in this, you can ask me.
No, Sri.
No
I think
doubts?
only one question like that barcode, how we are.
Yeah, that one we're going to say.
Numerical
Okay.
gun, how we are doing in that. I have.
That one it is coming upcoming sessions. We're going to check it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.